Dear learners, Namaskar. I am S.S. Sehrawat, retired Deputy Commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. I am a subject expert in accounting. Today, we are going to study the meaning of accounting and bookkeeping, its objectives, its branches and its users. Introduction to accounting. You must have seen a shopkeeper selling goods to earn profit. He or she sells goods for cash and on credit, purchases the goods from suppliers, pays for electricity bills, telephone bills, wages to workers, etc. These are all business transactions involving money. A large number of such transactions take place daily. A businessman cannot remember all these transactions. He therefore keeps a record of all these transactions in writing so that he can make use of this recorded information later on. The trader would like to know at the end of a period, which is generally 1 year, what he has earned during this period from his business. He would also like to know the amount he has to pay to his suppliers and the amount his customers have to pay to him. He can get various other information of this kind only if he maintains proper record of the business transactions which have taken place during the year. This is called bookkeeping. The information needs to be recorded, classified and summarized in a systematic manner. It is called accounting. In this lesson, you will learn the meaning, objectives and uses of bookkeeping and accounting. Business transactions. Business transactions involve exchange of goods for money or promise for payment in future. These transactions have some important features which are as follows. Business transactions are business activities. Number 2, these involve exchange of goods or services like transportation, storage, packaging, etc. for money or money's worth. Number 3, these are monetary in nature. Number 4, in cash business transactions, goods or services are exchanged for money. Number 5, in credit business transactions, goods or services are exchanged, but money is received or paid at a future date. 6, all business transactions are recorded in books of accounts. Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is mainly concerned with recording of financial data relating to the business operations in a significant and orderly manner. Bookkeeping involves the systematic recording of the financial transactions of the organization. Accounting is primarily concerned with designing the systems for recording, classifying and summarizing the data and interpreting them for internal and external users. Accountants often direct and review the work of bookkeepers. Need for bookkeeping. It is significant for a business to have transparent record keeping system which would make the transaction clear. The need for bookkeeping can be understood with the help of the following points. Number 1, helps in assessing the financial position. Recording the business transactions would be helpful to businessmen for monitoring the financial success or failure of his business. You probably do not know where you are going if you do not realize where you have been. Hence, understanding the existing scenario of financial status of business is of much importance to the business to achieve the objectives and avoid the unexpected losses. Number 2, helps in making business decisions. Keeping a record would help to make future business decisions. Business decisions have to be taken by considering the financial consequences that happened earlier, and the same can be done only if we maintain the accounting books properly. Without the precise data and financial information, it is extremely difficult to predict the impact of any given action. Number 3, for record for income tax purposes, maintaining books of accounts would help businessmen to file the income tax returns accurately. Every business entity has to file income tax returns and pay income tax. With proper records, it is very easy to prepare the tax returns and filing can be done on time without any delay. Preparing budgets, keeping the plan, the budget for forthcoming year, preparing budget would keep you on the safer side and help you to avoid the unwanted expenditure. 5. Tax assessment, keeping good records would help you to prepare payroll, tax returns and sales tax without any delay. If you are doing a partnership business, you can avoid unwanted issues if profit distribution in partnership business. You can avoid unwanted issue in profit distribution by recording your business transactions accurately. Moreover, effective bookkeeping would help you to identify the activities which are not profitable and the unwanted operations, expenses. Businessmen can avoid such expenditures and prepare an effective budget to optimize business financially. Hence, bookkeeping plays an essential role in every business. Objectives of bookkeeping: number 1, to show permanent record of business. Bookkeeping is to record business transactions in proper books of accounts which can be kept safe for years together. Number 2, to know profit or loss of business. Various statements are prepared from the information contained in books of accounts called financial accounts. One of such statements is called income statement or profit and loss account, which helps in ascertaining business profit. Number 3, to know the financial position of the business. Bookkeeping helps in preparing balance sheet and ascertaining the net capital employed. To provide information of total sales and purchases of business. Businessman is interested in knowing the total sales and total purchases of business, which help in taking decisions regarding sales strategies. Number 5, to provide information about creditors and debtors of business. Businessman would like to know how much and to whom he owes and how much and who owe to him. Bookkeeping records will help him in it. Number 6, to know the quantity and value of stock. Quantity and value of stock is required to manage stock levels. This can be ascertained by maintaining proper books of accounts. Accounting. Accounting has rightly been termed as the language of the business. The basic function of a language is to serve as a means of communication. Accounting communicates the result of the business operations to various parties who have some stake in the business. With the help of accounting records, the business is able to ascertain the profit or loss and the financial position of the business at the end of a given period and communicate such information to all interested parties. The function of accounting is to provide quantitative information, primarily of financial nature, about economic entities that is needed to be useful in making economic decisions. The meaning of accounting was given by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants AICPA in 1961, when it defined accounting as accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. American Accounting Association AAA has defined accounting as accounting is the process of identifying, measuring and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of the information. Branches of accounting. There are three branches of accounting. Number 1, financial accounting. Financial accounting is concerned with recording financial transactions, summarizing and interpreting them and communicating the results to users. It shows the profit or loss of a particular period and the position of the business on a particular date. Number 2, cost accounting. It helps in finding out the cost of production of a product manufactured or services rendered and helps the management in decision making. Number 3, management accounting. Management accounting is concerned with generating accounting information relating to funds, costs, profits, etc., as it enables the management in decision making. Objectives of accounting. The following are the main objectives of accounting. 1. To keep systematic records. Accounting is done to keep a systematic record of financial transactions like purchase of goods, sale of goods, cash receipts and cash payments. 2. To ascertain the operational profit or loss. Accounting helps in determining the net profit earned or loss suffered on account of running the business. This is done by keeping a proper record of revenue and expenses of a particular period. 3. To ascertain the financial position of the business. The businessman is not only interested in knowing the operating result, but also position of the business, that is where it stands. In other words, he wants to know what the business owes to others and what others owe to the business. Number 4, to facilitate rational decision making. Apart from owners, there are various other parties who are interested in knowing about the position of business, such as tax authorities, the management, the bank, the creditors, etc. The required information is furnished to all these parties through accounting. Advantages of accounting. 1. Replaces memory. Since all the financial events are recorded in the books of accounts will serve as historical records. Any information required at any time can be easily collected from these records. 2. Meets the information requirement. Various interested parties such as owners, lenders, creditors, etc., get the necessary information at frequent intervals which help them in their decision making. Accounting information provided to the management helps them in taking rational decisions in planning and controlling all business activities. 4. Facilitates a comparative study. With the help of accounting information, one can compare the present performance of the business with its past performance and also with that of similar organizations. This enables the management to draw useful conclusions about the business and make efforts to improve the performance. 5. Acts as reliable evidence. Systematic record of business transactions is generally treated by courts as good evidence in case of disputes. 6. Tax matters. The government levies various taxes such as custom duty, excise duty, sales tax and income tax. Properly maintained accounting records will help in settlement of all tax matters with the tax authorities. 7. Ascertaining value of business. In the event of sale of a business firm, the accounting records will help in ascertaining the correct value of business. Limitations of accounting. 1. Financial accounting permits alternate treatment. Accounting is based on concepts, it follows generally accepted principles, but there exist more than one principal for the treatment of any one item. This permits alternative treatments within the framework of generally accepted accounting principles. For example, the closing stock of a business may be valued by any one of the following methods: FIFO, that is first in first out; LIFO, that is last in first out; average price, standard price, etc., but the results are not comparable. Number 2, financial accounting is influenced by personal judgments. Accounting is influenced by personal judgments, as one accountant may consider the life of a particular asset, say 5 years, whereas another accountant may consider the life of that asset, say 6 years, and the method of charging the depreciation on asset by both the accountants may also be different. 3. Financial accounting ignores non-monetary information. Financial accounting does not consider the transactions of non-monetary nature. For example, extent of competition faced by the business, technical innovations possessed by the business, loyalty and efficiency of the customers and the employees, etc., are the important matters in which the management of the business is highly interested, but accounting is not tailored to take note of such matters. 4. Financial accounting does not provide timely information. Financial accounting is designed to supply information in the form of statements, balance sheet and profit and loss account for a period, normally 1 year. The business requires timely information at frequent intervals to enable the management to plan and take correct action wherever the performance is not as per plans. Difference between bookkeeping and accounting. On the basis of certain items, the difference between bookkeeping and accounting can be given as under. 1. Basis, objective. The objective of bookkeeping is to record the business transactions. The objective of accounting aims at maintaining business records, calculation of profit and loss. Number 2, functions. Function of bookkeeping is to record business transactions. Accounting is recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting the business transactions. Number 3, scope. Bookkeeping has a limited scope. The scope of accounting is wider. Number 4, level of knowledge. For bookkeeping, it requires elementary knowledge of accounting. In accounting, advanced and in-depth understanding is required. Stage. Bookkeeping is primary stage, whereas accounting is the final stage. Level of person engaged. Lower level, mainly account clerks are engaged in doing the work of bookkeeping, whereas higher level, mainly qualified accountants are involved in doing the work of accounting. Users of accounting information. Accounting is of primary importance to the proprietors and the managers. There are many more parties who use the accounting information. These parties are as follows. 1. Investors and potential investors. A person who wants to invest in business will like to know about its profitability and financial position. Basically, investors are interested in the amount of dividends they are likely to get from the business. Hence, they would like to know the profitability of the enterprise, which they can get from the income statements of the enterprise for a number of years. 2. Creditors. Creditors are the persons who have extended credit to the business. They would like to know whether the enterprise will be in a position to meet the commitments well in time towards them, both regarding payment of interest and the principal. Their main interest lies in liquidity and profitability of the business enterprise. 3. Proprietors. The proprietor is the owner of the business who starts the business with an objective to make profit. He is interested in knowing the position of the business as if he is earning profits or incurring losses. The profitability and financial soundness are therefore matters of prime importance to the proprietors who have invested their money in the business. Employees. The employees are interested in the financial statements on account of various profit sharing and bonus schemes. Their interest may further increase in case they purchase shares of the companies in which they are employed. They are interested in more wages or salary, bonus, overtime payments, medical facilities, and their demands for these matters are based on profitability as provided by income statement. 5. Customers. They are interested in knowing whether a company will continue to honor product warranties and continue to provide its products in future, and how much profit is made by a company by providing goods and services to them. Government. The government is interested in the financial statements of business enterprises on account of taxation, labor and corporate law. There as on is that the government activities and welfare schemes are financed through collection of different types of taxes. So, they would like to know whether the business is paying appropriate taxes well in time or not. Researchers, they need accounting information for the purpose of studying the financial aspects of the business enterprise and their effect on the economy as a whole, so that the new policies and planning can be made. Dear learners, today you have studied the meaning of bookkeeping and accounting, the objectives of accounting, the users of accounting information and their interest in the accounting information, the advantages of accounting, the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. I hope that you must have understood these aspects of bookkeeping and accounting clearly. Wish you all the best, and we will be meeting for the next chapter on accounting very soon. Thank you.